Are you getting ready for your U.S. citizenship interview? Nervous about what to expect? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll watch a realistic mock interview, covering every part of the N-400 naturalization process, including personal questions, English reading and writing, civics test, and tips for what to say and what not to say. This is a complete walkthrough based on real USCIS interviews, so you can feel confident and fully prepared for the big day. So watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more real interview samples and U.S. citizenship tips. Let's begin the mock interview.
Lena Fernandez?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Edlow, and I'm going to take your citizenship interview. Please follow me.
Sure. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. And how about you?
I am also great. Thanks for asking. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't.
How long have you been waiting for me?
I have been waiting for about 1 hour.
I am sorry to have kept you waiting.
No worries, officer.
Did you have any trouble finding our building?
No, officer, it was quite easy.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I believe in the form of government and want to vote.
What makes you eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took 30 minutes to get here.
How was the traffic today?
Not too bad.
How did you get here today?
My husband drove me here.
Where is your husband now?
He is waiting outside for me.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Do you need to use the restroom before we start?
No, I am fine. Thank you for asking.
Let's start by going over your application. Can I see your green card, passport, and any other documents you brought with you today?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Okay. Before starting your interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what take an oath means?
It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
Do you have any physical disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding any part or question of the naturalization exam?
No.
If you do not understand any question, feel free to ask me to repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Sure.
Can you verify your social security number, please?
1705-81105.
How did you become a lawful permanent resident?
Through a petition for alien relative.
What is your full name?
My name is Alina Maria Fernandez.
Please spell your last name.
Fernandez.
What is your current legal name?
Alina Maria Fernandez.
Have you used any other names?
No, I haven't.
Okay. What is the best number to reach you?
602-09-81068.
Where were you born?
I was born in Havana, Cuba.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No.
Were your parents married before your 18th birthday?
No.
Where do your parents live now?
They live in Cuba.
When is your date of birth?
March 12th, 1990.
Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed?
Yes, I'm married.
Can I have your marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What is your spouse's name?
My spouse's name is Carlos Fernandez.
How many times did your spouse marry?
Once.
How did you meet your current spouse?
My father and my spouse's father are a childhood friend, and they arranged our marriage.
Wow, that's great. What is your current spouse's date of birth?
His date of birth is July 11th, 1985.
Do you file your taxes jointly with your spouse?
Yes, officer.
What does your spouse do?
He does a job in a private company.
Have you had any previous marriages?
No.
When did you get married?
We got married on June 20th, 2015.
Have you brought any document that may prove your marriage legitimate?
Yes. Here are a few documents along with few photos with my spouse and our families since our marriage program.
Thank you. How is your spouse's legal status in the United States?
He is a U.S. citizen.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What are your children's names and ages?
Our son, Michael, is 8 years old, and our daughter, Emily, is 5 years old.
What is your children's relationship with you?
They are my biological children.
Have you brought their birth certificates with you?
Yes, officer.
Can you please show me?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Have you lived in another address before your current address in last 5 years?
No.
Has your address changed since you've submitted your application?
No.
What is your mailing address?
1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
How long have you lived at this address?
We've lived there for about 6 years.
Where do you currently live?
We live at 1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
Where else have you lived the last 5 years?
I have been living at the same address since last 5 years.
How do you support yourself?
I do job in a private firm.
Oh, that's great. Where do you work? And what's your position?
I work as a software engineer at Tech Solutions, Inc.
How long have you been with your current employer?
I've been with them for 4 years.
Have you had any other jobs in the past 5 years?
Yes, before this job, I worked at Innova Tech for 3 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on March 7th, 2020.
Do you have any military service?
No, I do not.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
Were any of your trips for 6 months or more?
No.
How long did you stay on your last trip?
I stayed for about 1 week.
Can you list the countries you visited and the dates of travel?
Sure. I visited Canada in July 2023, the UK in December 2024, and Mexico in June 2025.
Is there any new trip outside of the United States since you submitted your application?
No.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
To attend a family program.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I do.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S?
No, I don't.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
No, I don't.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
No, I haven't.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes, officer.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local animal shelters and help organize community tree planting events.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Let's go through Civics test to check your knowledge about United States history, government system, economic policy, Constitution, and few others. I'll ask you up to 20 questions, and you need to answer at least 12 correctly to pass.
Okay.
Have you prepared for the civics test?
Yes, I studied a lot.
Great. If you don't listen or understand any question clearly, ask me to repeat that. Okay.
Okay.
Please listen carefully to each question. Name the 3 branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Who elects U.S. senators?
Citizens from their state.
Name 2 promises that new citizens make in the oath of allegiance.
Give up loyalty to other countries. Obey the laws of the United States.
What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment?
It states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain?
Declaration of Independence.
Many documents influenced the U.S. Constitution. Name one.
Federalist Papers.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
Because of the 22nd Amendment.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their district.
What does the Bill of Rights protect?
The basic rights of Americans.
Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why?
To be independent of politics.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators?
To follow public opinion more closely.
Why is the Electoral College important?
It decides who is elected president.
What founding document was written in 1787?
U.S. Constitution.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain?
War for American independence.
Why were the Federalist Papers important?
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
The American Revolution had many important events. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
The Civil War had many important events. Name one.
Lincoln was assassinated.
Great. You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to the U.S. government to get immigration benefits?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No. Never.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, officer.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, officer.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No. Never.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No. Never.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
How many states does the United States have?
Great! You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. The United States has 50 states. Great! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer. Thank you so much.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
No.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. Never.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No. Never.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No. Never.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, officer.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
No, never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No, never.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, never.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, officer.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
Absolutely not.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes. I have occasionally provided financial assistance to a family member living abroad to help with essential needs. It was done out of care and responsibility. And I have always complied with U.S. laws and regulations regarding such support.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, officer.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No, never.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Just give me a minute. I need to run a quick background check and copy all your documents.
Sure. Take your time, please.
All right. Thank you for patience. I have reviewed your application and everything seems to be in order. Congratulations. You have passed the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now I want you to review all of the information on the tablet to make sure it's accurate. Let me know if there are any mistakes.
Yes, officer. Everything looks good.
Great. So please sign the box on the tablet to affirm that everything you've said during the interview and all the evidence that you've submitted is complete and true.
Okay.
Thank you. Please review the Oath of Allegiance section. Make sure you agree to all the statements. Then you can print your name and sign and date on the tablet.
Okay.
Thank you. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do have a question. What documents do I need to take with me on the date of Oath of Allegiance?
No worries about that. You will have the detail on the letter regarding the oath ceremony.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You will receive a letter in the mail with the date and time for your oath ceremony.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too.